How to fix Twitter or X app not loading tweets. So if you want to fix Twitter or X app not loading tweets, then what you need to do is first you need to check your internet connection. Like if you have not turned on your Wi-Fi or your mobile data, then your Twitter won't load any tweets. So you just need to simply make sure that you've turned on. Go and turn on your Wi-Fi or your mobile data. Once you've turned on, you'll be able to have your tweets. But if that is not the case, then what you need to do is go with your Play Store or your App Store. Go with search. Under search, you need to search for Twitter or X. And here, if you have any updates under your Twitter, now you just need to simply go and update the application. Once you updated, your problem might be fixed. But even after updating, if that still doesn't fix your problem, then just remove that. And then you need to tap and hold on to that X application. Go with the app info, which is eye-shaped icon, and it will take you to this kind of interface. Go with storage and cache, and after that go with clear cache and clear cache. Once you've cleared your cache, then your problem might be fixed. But if that doesn't, then the other solution is it might be down. So if it is down, then you can simply wait for 24 hours or wait for a few hours, and then you can just open up your Twitter application again and your problem might be fixed. But if Twitter is working in other phones like your friend's phone, and if it is not working in yours, then just restart your device, and after restarting, your problem will be fixed. So that's how you can fix Twitter or X app not loading your tweets. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.